to be a kid on Christmas.
Hello, creative kids. We're going to be making something extra fun today. Finger puppets!
Let's start by coloring our finger puppets. We're cutting these out. If cutting out these little details is tricky, you can leave a white outline around the edges, and it will make cutting a little bit easier. Awesome! Let's put this finger puppet together. We're going to fold along these 3 straight up and down lines. Grab some tape and put a little piece of tape between the 2 edges so it's taped in a loop. Now when you open it up, you can put your finger inside and you've got a finger puppet!
These finger puppets turned out super cute. Remember, you can use the blank finger puppet to make any kind of puppet you want. You can even make finger puppets without using the printable and just using your own paper. Just measure a loop around your finger and decorate it however you like. Thanks for making these cute finger puppets with me today. I'll see you next time.
How to be a kid